Hi there, it's Kelly here from Harry's team. If you're running cold email and struggling with low replies or emails landing in spam, there's a good chance the problem starts before you ever hit send. Email verification is the process of checking whether an email address actually exists and can receive mail. If you're sending cold emails without verifying them first, you're killing your deliverability without realizing it. Every time you send to an invalid email, you create a bounce. Too many bounces tells Gmail and Outlook that you're a spammer, even if your copy is good, even if your leads list is highly targeted. Before I use any email list, I always run it through an email verifier, such as Million Verifier, to remove dead inboxes and risky addresses that can hurt my domains. This one step doesn't increase replies directly, but it keeps your emails landing in the inbox instead of spam. Using unverified emails can ruin an otherwise good campaign. Some questions I can already hear you asking is, if my lead sourcing tool is verifying them, why should I run them through another tool? It's because databases can take days, weeks, if not months to update, and all of them have different data. Therefore, it's good to have multiple layers of verification. Another question people have is, what do you do with all the junk leads? And one idea is you can run them through a tool like Clay to verify that they're still within your ICP and that they haven't retired or moved on to a different industry or anything like that. And then try to pull their emails again, do the same process again, or you can just use them in LinkedIn campaigns if you can't find a new email for them. So in a nutshell, verification prevents damage from happening to your domains. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos.